From a single can of milk to an iconic brand in dairy and Indian sweets. 4 generations of unbroken entrepreneurship for over 100 years. We feel privileged to say that's the legacy of Parsi Dairy Farm. Every day, we delight in serving our patrons with the finest of delicacies made from the purest of ingredients. But let's pause here and rewind to where it all began. Nariman Adeshar, a bright young lad studying at St. Xavier's School, unexpectedly lost his father and plunged overnight into poverty, with his mother expressing her inability to pay his school fees. However, this boy did not lose hope. Being encouraged by his school principal, he began to sell pencils and erasers to support himself, and in this manner made his foray into entrepreneurship. Things began to change rapidly. In a few years, he decided to focus on the basic need of every household, milk consumption. And in 1916, during the pre-independence era, he established Parsi Dairy Farm on Princess Street. It was only a matter of time before the popularity of Parsi Dairy Farm grew exponentially, becoming one of the major suppliers of milk to the elite of Bombay, recognized for its purity and consistency in quality. The milk delivery team, who Bombayites fondly called the Blue Brigade, became a well-known sight in the early hours of the mornings and afternoons, making deliveries of creamy milk in exchange for milk coupons. For decades, the life force behind the production, processing, and steady supply of milk and milk-based products has been our state-of-the-art farm, with its livestock in the village of Barwada, near the Maharashtra-Gujarat border. At the farm, we also have a cozy and welcoming vegetarian restaurant, the Dairyland Parlour, which serves a delightful veg cuisine complete with Indian sweets. This is ideal for the daily travelers zipping across the highway, and also a fun destination to spend the day with the family. For over a century, Parsi Dairy Farm has been an organization driven by strong family values that creates an environment of positivity and empathy. Our parents have been pillars of strength and true constants in the sea of change. It is their unwavering support and mentorship that is now guiding us, the 4th generation, through this phase of rapid expansion.
The sense of family and belonging is experienced by everyone on the team. Our staff of over 200 people are dedicated towards the legacy of the family. Truly, Parsi Dairy Farm is one dream of over 200 people.
We enjoyed serving our patrons for more than a century with the promise of purity with no preservatives. We employ the finest of ingredients and the latest systems and processes, yet maintaining the traditional ethnic recipes and flavors of all our products.
Today, Parsi Dairy Farm is serving its customers through more engaging and exciting touchpoints. Parsi Dairy Farm is now available in Mumbai in 3 locations. One obviously in Marine Lines, Princess Street, one at Borivali, and one at Ghatkopar, serving our customers with a wide range of products. We have also leveraged different distribution channels to see that our product is available in different supermarkets all across the country. We're also using the medium of our website and online delivery food apps. Basically, to our customers, Parsi Dairy Farm is just a click away.
Our patrons are enjoying the fresh look of the stores, the engaging store layout, as well as our new products and design packaging. We have given all our products a trendy vibe in terms of color and design. At Parsi Dairy Farm, we're customer driven.
Our research enabled us to introduce new user-friendly products and making it more convenient for customers to relish the flavors and delicacies.
Products of Parsi Dairy Farm are loved for being rich, pure, and wholesome. Being guided by our core value of truth is light, we are dedicated to bring pure joy to thousands of homes daily. Over 100 years ago, a single can of milk meandered its way through the streets of Bombay, and since then, till today, there has been no looking back.